It's the only thing that I have a passion for to this extent. I don't hit the gym. I'm not a super buffed up guy. It's totally an obsession. It's an addiction. It's something that's coming out from within me. I turn into this wild animal that just wants to rip the road apart. I've not spent as much money on anything else or as much time on anything else other than the Jeep. I just got addicted to wanting to build. It gets into your system, into your blood, into your mind, and it's an addiction. I actually started off with 33-inch tires. That grew to 35-inch tires. I just recently put on 37-inch tires now. Painted parts that were not painted before. Getting a 2.5-inch lift on LED lights everywhere, light bars, tinted side front windows. It's crazy. The Jeep, at what it is today, is a product of what I had in my mind and how I fabricated this into reality. I finally did it. This is what I truly am in the inside. I do get a lot of hate because a lot of people see me and they're like, what are you doing driving that? It's my life and it's my money and it's my choice. And I think everybody out there should have that mentality. You shouldn't let people stop you from owning what you want to own, even if it may not suit your image. Because once you own it, you become that. I'm totally different in my Jeep and I feel like no one can really stop me. It's my armor, it's my shield, it's my image. It's something that not everyone sees in me, that realizes that I have, but this is what I am. Yeah, I'm not aggressive, but when I'm on the road, I got that aggression. I feel like I'm covered in metal from head to toe. No matter what weather faces me, hits me, nothing can stop me. But when you find something that you love, the last thing you want to do is enjoy it on your own. And then I realized what it is that I needed to share that interest and that experience with someone else. And that was other Jeepers out there. I can't begin to describe what the feeling is knowing that there are others just like me out there. It's my Jeep family, and this is where my story behind the Jeep all began, and this is where it is today, and this is what it means to me.